That is,
Ma'am,
uh, yeah,
but we didn't draw the plant cell.
plant cell drawing. Yeah, drawing. I told you I will send you the simple one. I will send you today. Plant cell diagram. What exactly you need to draw.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So easier diagram. So that is there should not be any mistake because the same chapter, same question will be there this year also and next year also. Same chapter is there for next year in ninth. Okay, so we have learned, you have learned animal cell and plant cell. This question is always asked for 3 marks. Is this clear question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there is one more point is there, that is prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. So what do you mean by prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Prokaryotic is a very this one what you call as primitive cell. There are much more organelles are not present. The earlier organisms, very simple organisms, have the cells. A unicellular organism you can consider. They have the cell, which are very primitive, very basic functions it follow. It do not have all the much organelles. It don't have. Actually, it consists of only one organelle. That is only ribosome. Any other organelles it don't possess. Bacteria is considered as one of the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic, pro means primitive. So primitive cell and advanced cell. So primitive, the very basic cell is called as prokaryotic cell. So how can we distinguish it? So it has its structure, the prokaryotic cell, and eukaryotic cell. These are the two types of a cells depending on the complexity of the cell. Prokaryotic cell is very basic cell. It is very small in size and these are somewhat bigger in size. Mainly first point here is the nuclear membrane. The nuclear material is not present in the nuclear membrane. The nuclear material is not separated from cytoplasm. You have seen in each cell, the nuclear membrane separates. Here you can see that is this is a nuclear membrane. So due to the presence of nuclear membrane, all the nuclear material, all these chromatin network inside that, whatever the thread like structures are present, they are well protected inside the covering. But in prokaryotic cell, this nuclear membrane is not present, due to which this chromatin network is spread, scattered in the cytoplasm. So I'll show you the structure of that cell, prokaryotic cell. Bacteria is one of the example of the prokaryotic cell. And they do not have the well-defined, this one, all this membrane-bound cell organelles. That means the cell organelles which has the membranes, those cell organelles are not present. So this is the structure, the basic structure you can see. So in this one, nucleus is actually not present. All the material present inside the nucleus is scattered in the cytoplasm. They are not well protected inside the nuclear membrane. And only the ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm. All other organelles are not present. Mitochondria or centrosomes or vacuoles or plastids or any other things, other organelles, lysosomes, they don't have, these cells don't have that. They have only RNA structure. The basic protein only they possess. No any other boundary membrane, this one, organelles are not present in this. So that is we call as prokaryotic cell. So prokaryotic cell do not have well defined nuclear membrane. Cell have well defined nuclear membrane. chromatin network, chromatin fibers are scattered in cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, that is all the material present inside the nucleus is scattered in cytoplasm, which is called as nucleoid, which is called nucleoid. We don't call it as nucleus, we call it as nucleoid. And here chromatin fibers, right along with me, are present inside nucleus, nuclear membrane. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent, and this is membrane bound cell organelles are present. It has single chromosome and it has many chromosomes. Prokaryotic, and all other cells other than bacteria, all other organisms have eukaryotic cell. Our body has eukaryotic cell. We don't have prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic is very basic structure of the cells. Only bacteria have that. Monerans, we call them separately. We have grouped them separately. We call them, that group is called as Monera. And all others are eukaryotic. And prokaryotic cells are only unicellular. Unicellular organisms have prokaryotic cell. Able to understand this part? Prokaryotic and eukaryotic means it depends on the nucleus. So this is the end of this chapter. Chapter ends here. So what you learned in this chapter? Yes.
Ma'am, what about division of cell and growth?
Cell divides, that's I told you. Division of cell and growth, it is the growth of the body takes place by dividing the simple cell. The new cells are formed from the earlier cell. And in that chromosomes divide, DNA divides and they replicate. One single cell divides to form two cells.
Okay, ma'am.
And that by that way, by dividing the cell, the new cells have been formed. So that is the type of cell divisions you will learn next class, not this year. Done that one? Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Last point. Yes, ma'am.
The question answers on this chapter. So what are the chapters we have learned? What are the parts we have learned in this? First is cell theory. What is cell? Who has discovered the cell that we have learned?
Ma'am, shape and size.
There's different types of cells have the different shape, different sizes, different locations due to cell,
Structure of cell.
types of a cell, unicellular, multicellular. The different shape and size is depending on the function it performs.
Ma'am, in the
And
microscope.
then it is you have learned the different parts of the cell. The basic parts of the cell is cell cell membrane, that is plasma membrane. Second one is cell wall, cytoplasm, and nucleus. These are the four main components of the cell. Cell membrane, cell wall only in plant cell, then it is cytoplasm and nucleus. These are the main four parts of the cell. So where are they present? You have to locate them. So they can ask you the question diagram and they will ask you to label it. Outer boundary, if it is an animal cell, then outer boundary is a cell membrane or plasma membrane. If it is a plant, then there are two membranes, two boundaries are there. So outer boundary is called as cell wall and inner boundary is called as cell membrane. Inside that jelly-like substance is present, that is cytoplasm. Inside the jelly-like cytoplasm, there is a big round again, it is present, a big round shaped structure, that is nucleus. And inside the nucleus, thread-like structures are present. Those are called as chromatin fibers, chromatin network. Okay. And then the different organelles. Yes.
Goggly bodies can be like put anywhere.
Anywhere you can put it. Yes, it is can be anywhere.
And the smooth ear and rough ear should be like together.
Yeah, smooth ear and rough ear are near nucleus, and the smooth ear is near the boundary, that is near the cell membrane.
And all other things can be put anywhere.
Yeah, you can. They will remain scattered here and there. There is no particular position for those.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Write down the point for the cell division also. If you have a point, cell division, write down. So cell divides for growth or repair or replace the worn out cells. Cell divides and form the new cells. Just like you, if you have a scratch on your skin, you can see that is after 2 to 3 days, the new skin is formed at that position. That is because the nearby cells divides and cover up that worn out cells. So that cells have gone, they have dead now. When the scratch is formed, so in that area, the cells are there, those are damaged. So those are been destroyed by lysosomes. Then in that area has to be filled up. So that filling up is done by the nearby cells will divide and form the new cells. So that is called a cell division process. So cell division is done for this one for the replacement of the worn out cells, for growth needed, for replacement of worn out cells, worn out that means damaged cells, for growth. So our bodies keep on growing, that means new cells are keep on forming, that's the reason the growth has taken place. repair. For all these purposes, the cell division is going on. Now, what happens in cell division? Uh, when the cell divides, first it gains the more nutrition. First step, cell receives nutrition, grows, and reaches certain size. And after that is reach maturity. It matures. Then that cell divides into two cells. One single cell will divide either into two cells or maximum four cells. General cells, the skin cells we consider, or any of our body cells other than the reproductive cells, the single cell divides to form two cells. After which it divides to two cells. This process is called as two cells. These cells are called as daughter cells. This cell is a parent cell. Earlier original cell is called as parent cell. It divides and one single cell will form two cells. So those two cells are called as daughter cells. This process is called cell division. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And in this cell division, centrioles and centrosomes take part. In animals, the centrioles and centrosomes take part in cell division. But in plant cells, only particular type of tissues are present, those only divides. Every cell won't divide. There are the one particular type of cells are present, which we call as meristematic cells. Only those cells divides, all other cells won't divide. But in animal body, many cells divides, many different cells can divide. So therefore, there is that division will take place with the help of centrioles and centrosomes, which are found only in the animal cell. The centrioles and centrosomes, which are not, they are not present in plant cells. That is a one more point as a difference. You can write it out. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the end of this chapter. You have to complete questions from your book. There is one of the book I have. I will. From that we will solve some questions.
Ma'am, should we send it in Google Classroom?
Yes. All your homeworks now you have to send it on Google Classroom.
Ma'am, but I'm not getting how to send in Google Classroom.
Google Classroom I will make. Then classwork, when you go, there is open, there is a stream, you will at the top you will see classwork.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the classwork there is a, I will form the structures. Wait, no, here it is. I will form the link of cell chapter, cell assignments. So inside the cell assignment you have to this one directly you take your PDF file. In that share option, from that PDF scan, PDF when you scan, when the share option, instead of WhatsApp, now you have to, you will get the classroom. In your mobile,
Yes,
you can
ma'am. Yes,
you can
ma'am.
install. So classroom directly you can take it, and you have already installed the classroom and you have added the class. So directly that link you have to open up the assignment link, whatever the assignment cell chapter is there, cell chapter assignment link open. You and then click it here, that will get assigned. After assigning, you have to hand in option is there. So hand in. You can try. If you didn't get, I will tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
Classwork I'm forming for the cell. And you are to one PDF file.
Ma'am, should we upload all the notes from the first chapter?
Notes is not really questions. Whatever the questions you are not solving of your school's this one, your book, provided book, and whatever the assignments I will give you as a question answers that you have to write or you have to submit there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I've already posted. Then cell assignment I've written. So there you click while sharing, you click on that and then submit. And after submitting, there is a one more option, hand in. So click on hand in. Then only I can check out those. So that means you are handing in to me. So submit means there, it will be there in your account, but it will not be seen to me. So you have to press the option hand in.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So few questions we will see. Objectives are there first. Plants do not have cell wall, cell membrane, lysosomes, mitochondria. They have cell wall? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They have cell membrane,
Yes, ma'am.
mitochondria.
Yes, ma'am.
Mitochondria also they have because they also need energy. Lysosomes they don't have. They do not have, plants do not have lysosomes. Right, that is the option. So you write only the sentence and the answer for that. So
Ma'am,
plants do not have. You write only question, don't write all the option, only the right answer write down.
okay, ma'am.
Main controlling center of the cell is
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
nucleus. Nucleus control all the functions of cell. Animal cells have large vacuoles, small vacuoles, few vacuoles, no vacuoles.
Large.
Animal
vacuoles.
cell.
Oh,
Small
animal
vacuole.
cell has small vacuoles.
Small vacuoles. Chlorophyll is found in
Chloroplast.
chloroplast. Plastids are of two types. One is chromoplast and second one is leucoplast. Inside chromoplast, one of the type of plastids is chloroplast. And chloroplasts are green in color. There are many different colors are there. So red color of the tomatoes, you have seen that one. Last class I've explained, shown you.
Ma'am.
So xanthophylls, carotene, those are all the different types of plastids are there which impart different colors. Out of that, one of the plastid which impart green color that we call as chloroplast. And that chloroplast has the green colored pigment called as chlorophyll. Clear? Chloroplasts have chlorophyll. Which of these is a multicellular?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms.
Mushroom, very good. Which of these is not present in animal cell?
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast. Plastids are present,
Plast.
colored pigments are only in plant cell. Otherwise, animal will be also green color. And they could have prepared their own food. The organelles are responsible for the energy production in the cell.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Yes.
Mitochondria.
Dash cell organelles release energy from the food waste. Release energy.
Golgi black bodies.
Release energy. Energy produced is related to
Endoplasm.
mitochondria only.
Mitochondria.
Energy is completely associated with mitochondria. Chlorophyll pigment is
Green color.
green in color. Very good. All animal cells are spherical or oval in shape, while plant cells are rectangular. True or false?
False.
False.
Well, what's the true? What is
Plant
true?
cells have a honeycomb structure.
Every cell has honeycomb structure. Every animal or plant have honeycombs.
Ma'am, it depends, ma'am. Some cells are round, some are cuboid, cylindrical.
It's actually a true statement. Plant cells are rectangular shaped, and the animal cells are spherical or oval in shape. That's right. Most of the cells have nucleus.
True.
True.
True. Our RBC, red blood cell in our blood, don't have nucleus after maturity. When it matures, in the initial stage, it has the nucleus, but after maturity, it loses this nucleus. So because it knows now what exactly function has to be performed. So therefore it will lose nucleus and it will be completely filled with hemoglobin. So after maturity, the RBCs lose nucleus. So therefore it is told us most of the cells have nucleus. Okay. All living organisms are made of cells.
Yes.
Yes.
It is right. The outermost covering in an animal cell is called as cell wall.
False.
It's false. It is a cell membrane. Leucoplast's function is to storage. Chloroplast function is
Giving color.
chloroplast. Photosynthesis. Chloroplast helps in photosynthesis process. Robert Hooke cell. Robert Brown.
Nucleus.
Yes. Cell wall. Difference between the cell organelles in column 1 for plant cell and animal cell. So difference you have to write. Cell wall is present or absent?
In plant cell it is present.
Plant cell is
Animal
present.
cell it's not.
Plants it's present. Animals it's absent.
Animal it is absent. Lysosomes. Plant cell absent, animal cell present.
Present.
Chloroplasts
Present.
Plant cell present. Animal
present,
cell
animal
absent.
cell absent. Centrosomes. Centrosomes, they are present only in the animal cells. Plant cell don't have. Just now I told you plant cell has the different cells which only undergoes multiplication. That's division. Centrosomes' main function is in this one. Lysosomes are also present only in the animal cell. Plant cell, no. They are absent in the plant cell, lysosomes. Only few plant cell, very rarest plant has lysosomes, rarest. But here directly you're writing plant cell, lysosomes are absent, animal cell, lysosomes are present. The dash is the control center of the cell.
Nucleus.
Nucleus. And dash is the cell that can be seen without a microscope.
Egg.
Egg.
Ostrich egg.
Egg, right. Energy is produced in
Mitochondria.
mitochondria. Cell wall is found in
Answer.
Plant
cells.
cells.
The structural and functional unit of life is
Cell.
Cells.
cells. Draw a neat diagram of the following and label them. Plant cell, animal cell, and human chick cell.
How do we draw human cheek?
Same as animal cell. Human chick cell is animal cell. We are animals.
Oh, yes.
So mom, in human cheeks.
This is human chick cell. Simple.
Mom, can you send this?
Ma'am,
Yeah, I
it's
will-
only
I-
drawing all the cell organelles for human cheek, ma'am.
They have given simple structure.
Okay.
Animal cell you can draw, that's enough, because all the humans, this one cells are animal cells are here chick cells. So to see the
Yeah.
animal cell, we have taken the chick cell example.
Okay, ma'am.
Define cell. Now write down these answers. Now I will give you these answers. We will see out more MCQ questions. So here, read the questions and check out which question you can't answer.
Ma'am, the first question, like how many
One
sentences?
sentence, one sentence. So every living organism is made up of small structures called as cells, which are functional and structural units of life.
Ma'am, we can even write the cell is the smallest unit of life.
Yeah, smallest unit of fundamental, smallest unit of life.
Ma'am, short answers first question. Why do cells multiply?
Just now for growth, for repair, for replace worn out cells.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but short answer means how many lines you have to write?
Short answers, 2 sentences.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, long answer third question.
Why are nerve cell longs? Because then what is their main function?
Ma'am, to transport information from brain to other organs.
The transportation, that is passing the information from from brain to and fro from brain and the different cells of the body. So if it is long, this process can be done faster.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, why these cells have projection?
They can deep inside the sensory organs and receive the information. So they can move, spread out in the cells, in the different organs, in sensory organs, and receive the information from different parts.
Ma'am, the long answer fourth question is like one word answer.
Yeah, there are in this book. It is like this one word answers are also given as a long answer questions.
So, like, should we write one word or like?
One sentence, that's enough.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, this is Rachna Sagaronin, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, done. Got these on this one? You know these? Just a second. Are you able to see?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
The organelles which provide energy for all activities of a cell are
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
mitochondria. In a giving living cell, chromatin is present in
Nucleus.
Yes.
nucleus. The cell wall in onion peel cell is made up of
Nucleus.
Yes. Cellulose. Cellulose.
cellulose. Cellulose it is made up of. Plant cells are made up of cellulose. I told you, cell wall is made up of cellulose. And the plasma membrane is made up of? Plasma membrane is made up of? I have written as a differentiating, that's at that time plasma membrane, cell membrane. One statement I have given, check that what is given. Plasma membrane is made up of, or cell membrane is
Protein
made
and
up of
fat.
Protein and
protein
fat.
and fats, that is proteins and lipids. The group of similar cells which work together to perform a particular function is called as
Tissue.
Organ.
Tissue.
Tissue.
tissues. Cells
Tissue.
combine to form tissues.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Tissues combine to form organs. Organs combine to form organelles. Sorry, organ system.
Or
Organ system. And many organ system combine together, organism. A long branched animal cell is
Nerve cell.
Nerve cell.
nerve cell.
nerve.
Which of the following is not a unicellular organism?
Yak.
Yak.
Yuck. Which of the following organelle is not found in the root cells of the plant?
Chloroplasts.
Okay.
Chloroplasts don't have, because roots won't produce their own food. They are transported from the leaves. The part of the cell which play a role in inheritance is
Nucleus.
inheritance. That means transferring the characters from one cell to another cell. That is a transfer of characters from parents to the children is due to that part is chromosome. So where are the chromosomes present? Genes are present.
Nucleus.
Nucleus. The basic similarity among all the living organisms is that they are made up of
Cells.
cells.
Cell.
The structural and functional unit of life called cell is discovered by
Robert Hooke.
Robert
Hooke.
Hooke. Which of the following cell does not have a nucleus? Just now I told you.
Red blood cell.
Blood cells.
Red
RBC.
blood
Red
cell.
blood cells. Yes. Red blood cells don't have nucleus, but it is present in the beginning. When it is formed, at that time it is present. When it matures, that time it loses. Okay. The parts which are not present in the animal
Ma'am,
cell,
like babies and all have.
Last.
not
B and
babies.
C.
One second, let
Option.
check that RBCs have the life of 120 days. So after every 100 to 120 days, RBCs die in our body also, in the adult body also. So when after 120 days, the new cells are formed.
So that time it
So
is
when
not.
that time it is present. When the new cell is formed, at that time it is present. When it reaches the maturity, that time it loses.
Ma'am,
Not getting your voice.
then it's like sometimes it doesn't.
I'm not getting your voice properly. So here they have given option as A, B, B, C, C, D and A, B, D.
Ma'am,
So
what is the
both chloroplast and cell wall both are not present in animal cell.
Yes.
So both B and C. All the living matter in a cell is called as living matter in a cell is called
Cells.
Cytoplasm.
I have written see there. I have given that point.
Protoplasm.
Protoplasm. So protoplasm. Which of the
Ma'am, what
following
is
is
cell sap?
cell sap is the water mineral mixture. Food, water and mineral mixture is called as cell sap. The fluid present inside the any part of the plant. So when you cut a plant or you pluck a leaf, what happens? You see one jelly-like substance comes out from the stalk.
Yes, ma'am.
So that
White
is only
color.
called as cell sap.
Okay, ma'am.
When you cut a stem or when you cut a fruit also, fruit when you detach from the plant, immediately there is at the top of the stalk, you will see some white color transparent liquid that is called as cell sap.
Yes, ma'am.
It is present throughout the body of the plant parts. Egg cell, which of the following is a plant cell? Cartilage cell is an animal, neuron is an animal cell, epidermal cell, yes, epidermal cells are present in the plant cell. Epidermal, that is the outer covering of the plant. Every plant has an outer covering boundary. This green color part you can see, just like our body has a skin, like that the plants also has a skin that we call as epidermal cells. And our outer body is made up of epithelial cells. Our skin made up of epithelial cells. Cartilage, this is cartilage, bones. The inner thin parts, thinly soft bones are called as cartilage. Here we have the soft bone. This bone is a very soft bone that is called as cartilage bone. Ears, inside ears here, these are the cartilage are present. The soft bones are in our body are called as cartilage bones. Neurons, that is nerve cells, you know. Epidermal cells, outer boundary of every plant. The leaf, outer covering of the leaf is also a epidermal cell. Epithelial cell, our boundary or any organ's outer boundary is made up of epithelial cells. Inner or outer boundary of every organ is epithelial cells. Egg cell measuring about 17 centimeter to 13 centimeter is
Ostrich.
most likely that is a
Ostrich.
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 Which of the following have cell walls? Cell walls are present only in the plant cells. So
Plant
which
cells.
epithelial cell, just now I told you it is an animal cell. Epidermal I
Yes,
told
ma'am.
it is a plant
Epidermal.
cell.
Plant.
A and mesophyll
C.
cells.
Mesophyll.
Also. Epidermal and mesophyll cells are found in plants. They have cell walls. So A and C is the option. Which of the following are prokaryotes? One is bacteria.
Blue, green
And this
algae.
blue-green algae and bacteria are
Bacteria.
prokaryotes. B and D option are the prokaryotes. Then, which of the following human system includes esophagus?
Digestive
Digestive.
system.
Digestive system. Class 7 you have learned this. Which of the following cells can change their shape?
Amoeba.
Amoeba cells.
Amoeba.
Amoeba and white blood cells. Our white blood cells in our body also change the shape. So white blood cells and amoeba cell can change the shape of their cells.
No, but A and C, there's no option, no, ma'am.
White blood cells and amoeba cells, A and B.
Oh, okay, yes, ma'am.
Non-living part of the tomato cell is a
Cell wall.
Cell wall.
cell wall. Cell wall is rigid and dead. Dead components. The parts P and Q are present only in plant cells. They are not present in animal cells. The part
Cell
P
wall.
contains the green pigment called R, and whereas part Q is made up of tough material S. The
Cell
part
wall.
P takes part in the food making process, whereas part Q gives shape and support to the plant cell. What is
Cell
P?
wall and
Chloroplast
P,
and cell
exactly.
wall.
P is chloroplast. P contains green pigment. That means a P inside P,
Yes, ma'am.
this R is present. That means P is a chloroplast and R is chlorophyll.
Wall.
Q is cell wall.
Q is cell wall, right? And S is cell wall is made up of
dead cells.
that. What is the name of that compound? It is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, carbohydrate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A, B, C and D are the basic parts of all the cells. The part A contains thread-like structures called E. What is it?
Nucleus and genes.
A is the nucleus and chromatin, thread-like structures, chromatin, which transfer the characters from parents to their offspring. Genes we can consider. E can be genes also. Part B uses glucose and oxygen to produce energy. B is mitochondria, right? Whereas part C controls the movement of substances into the cell and out of the cell.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Part D is a transparent jelly-like material. Cytoplasm. Very good. That means you understood something. X and Y are the two types of cells. Cells X have well-organized nucleus, which is separated from the cytoplasm by the nuclear membrane. On the other hand, cells Y do not have real nucleus. Their nuclear material is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. So what type of cells are X and Y?
Ma'am, cell and multi-cell.
Prokaryotic and
Eureka.
eukaryotic.
Prokaryotic. And EU is eukaryotic. Prokaryotic
Okay,
do
ma'am.
not have nuclear membrane and eukaryotic has nuclear membrane. Clear? Give one example each of the cells like X and Y. X's, they have well organized nucleus. That means it is all animal cells.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
R cells, you can take chick cell, human chick cell, or this one plant cell you can consider. And Y is
Bacteria.
bacteria and blue-green algae. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the cytoplasm of the cells of a tomato plant contains organelles X having different pigments which impart different colors to the leaves of the tomato plant and its fruits. Name, what is the general name of the organelles X? Organelles X are
Plastids.
plastids, right? What is the name and color and function of the organelle X present in the leaves of tomato plant? Name is
Ma'am, chloroplasts.
chloroplast. Color, green
Green.
color. Function,
Ma'am,
Photosynthesis.
helps in photosynthesis for making food. Okay. Then what is the color of organelle X which are present in the ripe fruits of tomato plant?
red color.
Red color. It's a red color. Cells make up A makes up B makes up C, and finally C makes up an
Ma'am, cells
organism.
make
Ma'am, tissues.
Tissues to organs
make
to
Tissue
organs.
makes organ,
Organ make
makes
organ
System.
system.
Organ system.
an organ
An
system
organ
makes
system
up
make
an organism.
Organisms.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm happy that you understood this chapter. Most of the part of this chapter I've explained from class 9th also. Understood this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All other schools have everything. Only the people who are working on NCERT, who have the book of NCERT, they have only the first 4 parts. These all cell organelles and all those are not present. But at this stage, you need to learn those. It is needed to learn those. So therefore, it is explained. And this book, this is the Eschan book. I will upload in the Google Classroom, so you can refer this book as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you
Yeah.
said we should do our own book and this book.
Yes. Everyone are doing your own book and this book as well.
Ma'am, the before book you showed.
That is the different one. That is the Rachna Sagar one.
So should we do that also?
Right now it's not needed. First you do your school book and then after that this book.
Till when can we submit?
For your book next class, but for this book you will take 4-5 days time till next Tuesday.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, next class, which chapter are we going to teach,
Coal
ma'am?
and petroleum chemistry.
Okay, ma'am.
That is a continuation. Yeah. Any test upcoming?
Ma'am, there's a